When should you do your daily ritual? Most people are doing their daily ritual at the wrong time. Not because the practice is wrong, not because they're doing it incorrectly, but because the timing is working against them and they don't even know it. Hi, I'm Eero Gonzalez. Since 2003, I've been empowering entrepreneurs to enjoy resilient, engaged, and balanced lifestyles by strengthening their brain-body connection through Eastern practices. And one of the most common questions I get, especially when someone is just starting out, is, Eero, when should I do my ritual? Morning or evening? It sounds simple, but the answer actually matters more than most people realize. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you and help you find the time that works with your life, not against it. I want to tell you about one of my new students, a business owner. She's as sharp as they come, but she couldn't switch off. She'd finish her workday and her mind just kept rolling, replaying conversations, problem solving at the dinner table, lying awake at 2 a.m., replaying her to-do list. Sound familiar? She decided to start with a morning practice, but she was hitting the snooze button to get the sleep she needed to meet the demands of the day. She was caught in an energy trap that felt hopeless and was close to giving up. So even when she did the practice, she was showing up to it already exhausted, already behind, already in reactive mode. So it wasn't landing. Her cup was already cracked before she tried to fill it. And that's the thing most people miss. A daily ritual isn't just about what you do, it's about when you do it and what state you're in when you show up to it. So here's what I want you to understand about timing. An evening practice is for recovery. It helps you decompress, transition out of work mode, and actually be present when you get home. If you're carrying stress into your evenings or you're not sleeping well, this is where I'd have you start. Calm your nervous system first. Build the foundation, then reassess. A midday practice is a powerful reset. This is a great way to refresh your energy and clear your mind so you show up engaged, energized, and ready to shift gears and projects seamlessly. A morning practice is for prevention. This is my personal favorite. And what I call training in the morning doesn't just manage stress, it repels it. You build an energetic shield before the noise of the day even begins. My students who train in the morning say that they stay in flow, things move with ease, and they don't feel mentally cluttered. In the evening, they still have the ability to engage with their family and kids during playtime, meet up with friends, or enjoy their hobbies, not because their day is easier, but because they started from a different place. For my student I mentioned earlier, we shifted her to an evening practice first, just 15 minutes. Within a few weeks, her sleep improved. Within a month, she was waking up earlier, feeling rested, and she moved naturally into the mornings. Not because I told her to, because her body was ready. So which one is right for you? Here's my answer. The right time is the one you'll actually do. No friction, no negotiating with yourself at 6 a.m. or 10 p.m. I call it escape velocity. Just like a rocket needs a burst of concentrated energy to break free from gravity, your new habit needs that same focused commitment in the beginning. Once you have momentum, it becomes effortless. But first, you have to launch. Pick a time. Commit to it for 21 days. No ifs, ands, or buts. Now, I want to hear from you. Scroll down to the comments below and let me know. Are you a morning person or an evening person right now? And what's the one thing holding you back from making your wellness routine consistent? And if you want to be guided step by step to establish your daily ritual and achieve the impact and entrepreneurial lifestyle you're actually in business for, download my daily ritual guide. Click the button below for instant access. It will walk you through a few simple steps to set yourself and your daily routine up with the momentum it needs to succeed. Click the link in the description to download your free guide.